and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you click that button and subscribe to us. On the menu today, chicken wings. Thai, delicious, spicy wings. Really easy. You can do them on the barbecue if you want. I'm going to do it on a skillet. We've made a little dipping sauce there as well from the Marination. Absolutely wonderful. Let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to get our marination ready for our chicken wings. In there I've got some Thai curry paste. Now I'm using yellow. You could be using green. You could be using red. That's up to you. To that we're going to add some lime juice or lemon juice. I'll just squeeze that in. Some sweet chili. One, two, roughly. Fish sauce. One, two, roughly. Some oil. I'm using the corn oil. One, two, roughly. And then some oyster sauce. One, two, very roughly. Last ingredient, let me just grab that. We're going to put in some soy. I'm using a light one here. Use dark if you want. One, two, roughly. Simply give that a mix, a little whisk up, and there we've got a fantastic little marination. Gonna get that on our wings. Okay, so here's our wings. I'm using this part of the wing. You could be using anything, and in fact you could be doing this on some chicken breast or something, strips if you wanted. One more little whisk of our marination. In that goes. Give it a little mix around. A couple of hours in the refrigerator, covered of course, or overnight is always best. And then you can fry these off in a pan, you can stick them on a barbecue. Either way, they'll be great. See you in a moment. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking our ones on a stove top, you know, with a skillet or a frying pan. Now, if you wanted, you could be taking them out and putting them in a kind of bit of a flour kind of mixture. I don't really find that necessary. What I'm going to do in here, just put a little touch of oil. Now, I'm using a peanut. Let's give that a little rub around. A little peanut oil, but any oil would work. Maybe even some sesame seed oil could be good. Let's grab our little wings. We're going to get them in. So we're going to just sort of shake them off just a little bit. They've got that lovely marination on them. And there you go. And we're going to sort of, on a medium kind of heat. Don't go crazy with these. I'm going to cook them for about 6-7 minutes for these size. Turning them quite a lot. Still a bit of marination there, don't throw that away. I'm going to be using that. Yeah, nice and gentle. Okay, so like I say, nice and gentle. The reason we do it nice and gentle is we've got sweet chili in there and oyster sauce, which if we cook it really high, fry it high, they'll just go black. Little bit of kind of blackening there, that's lovely, even a little bit more maybe, but yeah, because they're very sugar based, it will just really go black really quickly. So just keep them kind of nice and gentle. We're about sort of, you know, about 80% of the way there, I suppose. Back in a bit, keep turning them over. Okay, these are looking great. What we need to do, we're going to get them out, set them aside, and then in the same pan, keep it on low. We're going to drop that balance of marination right in there. In it goes. Right, they're done. You can eat them just like that if you want. I just don't want to waste this. Just going to turn that heat up actually. Let's cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. There you go. Just want to kind of cook the sauce a little bit because it did have the raw meat in it, so we need to kind of cook it a little bit, and that's looking good. Now, a little bit of coconut milk in the mix. Give that a little stir for like 1 or 2 minutes, and we've got ourselves a nice little dipping sauce, which otherwise would have been wasted. Lovely. Okay, there you go. Lovely little wings, nice little kind of snack. And we've got that lovely little dipping sauce there. Really spicy, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?